Hello there folks, so this video is just to show you what happened to me a while back. Every time I unbox something, I record it in case it comes broken. I'll be able to prove that it came broken out of the box and I actually didn't break it. On this occasion, this watch that you see right here, it was not broken, but it was not working either. As you can see, I left the part out where the box showed my information. I'm not going to show that on YouTube, but as you can see here, I keep shaking this automatic watch and it just won't move. It's an FNGEEN watch. It's absolutely beautiful in person and in video, but it was I believe it was like an $18 watch, and this is what happens when you buy um, watches, homages that are homages, whatever you call that, homage or homage, um, that are very cheap, less than $20, and you get them online. You can't return them because they're from far away, and then they simply don't work. So this was my experience. So whenever you buy something, make sure you record it when you're taking it out of the box, and you record that tracking number from the box, so that should there be something wrong with it, you can get at least a partial refund. I got a partial refund because the strap actually works. So yeah, but as you can see, it will not run. Thank you for watching.